I will show how easy it is to apply tape extensions. You will not require any heat or tools to apply tapes. It is a relatively easy process, but there are a few tips to ensure your tape extensions done perfectly. Removing tape extensions is very safe and very easy process when you use the right product. After removing tape extensions, especially if you're wearing them for 8 to 12 weeks, some people might be scared that lost some of their own hair. But we naturally lose about 100 hairs per day, and the hair that should have come off anyway was stuck in this tape. So don't be scared when you see it.